Chapter 1. Walk a little slower. Introduction. A small boy is urging his father to help him grow. He is trying to convey to his father that he should be slow in his activities so that the child can imitate him. Explanation. Walk a little slower, Daddy, said a little child so small. I'm following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for you are leading me. Someday, when I'm all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. And I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for I must follow you. Poem meaning. The child urges his father to walk slowly since he is following his father's footsteps. This request is not about walking slowly but urging the father to do his activities at a slower pace so that the child learns the ways of the world and readies himself to follow his footsteps. The child also urges that the father's activities are very fast and difficult for the child to follow. The child asks his father to go slow since his father is their leader. The child also tells his father that he wants to be like his father when he grows up. And when the child becomes a father himself, he tells his father he will have a child who would also want to be like his own father. And when that happens, the child wants to set a similar example before his child. Therefore, the child urges again that the father should walk a little slow so that he can follow him. Summary. The child urges his father to move slowly so that he can learn things from him. He himself wants to be just like his father, set a good example for his own son. The child even wants that his own son learns good things from him.